Hello everyone, welcome again to Punjabi Canadian. I hope you are enjoying your life and staying healthy. And you are going to be happy, right? Because today, आज मैंने अपने हाथ में फ़ोन नहीं पकड़ा. I have just found a good place to sit. So I am making this video. So today, the topic is all about operations and supply chain management, or you can say supply chain management and logistics, or you can say global supply chain management. And there are so many terminologies with different names, but their main purpose is same, right? It's just having the three fields in a one under one name. It's logistics, supply chain, and operations. And I'm going to talk about whether it's a good course to pursue for getting a good job in Canada or not, right? So I'm just sitting in front of one of the most reputed companies in Canada, and it's literally a good place. I am admiring that location, and even I want to work here. बट इतने लकी कहाँ, राइट? इतना लक कहाँ चलता है हमारा, आप लोगों की तरह ही है, राइट? सो इट्स ओके, we still have to struggle here. It's just been 3 months, I think. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to talk about in this video. So before starting this video, I'm going to tell you that please subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, and please keep supporting me, because it's been 6 months but I didn't see any growth. I know I like in some things, like in video editing and something like that, but still I'm making, and I'm sharing the knowledge which is true, which is up to the mark. So now please support me, right? Because it's going to increase me. I'm spending so much time, do you know, now I'm sitting outside. I have left my home at 9. अभी तक मैंने खाना नहीं खाया, कुछ नहीं किया हुआ, and I'm just making this video, and after that I'm going to back home, because this is a good place. I can make this video beautifully here. Okay, so let me dive into the video. And so first thing first, is this a good course? Yes, it is. But how? There are struggles, there are some obstacles too, but why I'm saying it is good, so you have to watch this video till the end, right? So number one thing is, if you are a +2 student, go with any bachelor degree who is related to these logistics, supply chain, global business management, something like that, right? It's not a business management and project management course. Please keep in mind, this is a supply chain, logistics, and operations kind of course, right? So pursue with any kind of bachelor or diploma courses, right? Or after, when you are start doing study, please try to connect with your professors. Yes, start learning, start gaining some knowledge. It's really important, and it's an easy course. ये भी बात बता रही हूँ, like most of our Indians, right? हम इंडिया में ज़्यादा नहीं पढ़ रहे, right? तो यहाँ पे आकर भी ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस नहीं है. You can easily go through with this, and it's easy subjects, easy course. You just have to pass some assignments and quiz tests, and that's easy to, you can easily manage it if you study well, if you listen to your professors during the class. And it's in KPU, it's always 3 hours long classes, and if you listen only 1 or 2 hours, you still get your jobs, right? Because you know the stuff, you get to know some basic understanding about the course. So number one thing is. And the second thing is, if you have done your bachelor degree and now going to think to move Canada and start choosing the courses, then you can choose post-baccalaureate diploma in supply chain and logistics, or in operations and supply chain management, and it is one of the good courses in Canada. Why? Because it's in demanding. सबसे पहले ना मैं आपको clear करती हूँ how that job market in Canada going to work. What is the, what type of industries are here. So in British Columbia, there are so many warehouses, there are so many shipping companies, logistics companies. और यहाँ का जो सारा बिजनेस है ना, वो इम्पोर्ट और एक्सपोर्ट के ऊपर है. और अगर इम्पोर्ट और एक्सपोर्ट के ऊपर है, तो इट मीन्स वहाँ पे डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन भी है, वहाँ पे पैकेजिंग भी है, शिपिंग भी है, लॉजिस्टिक्स भी है. So now you can think that how this course going to give you, right? You will definitely going to get a good job. And the third most important I want to include in that video, that choose courses who which provides internship opportunities. Okay, if you are just going with the simple courses without any internship, and you are thinking that you are going to save $800 and $1000 by not pursuing that internship and co-op program, right? Because there are some colleges who are going to charge extra for taking that internship and co-op programs, like in KPU, right? But it's really worth it at the end. I'm now going through that period. I'm just doing my co-op, right? जिसके लिए मैंने $800 ज़्यादा दिए थे. बट द थिंग इज़ कि अभी मुझे जॉब तो नहीं मिला, बट फिर भी मुझे ये लग रहा है कि येस, इट्स गोइंग टू वर्थ इट इफ़ आई गेट अ जॉब. उसके बाद मैं एक और वीडियो बनाऊंगी कि कैसे उसके ऊपर जॉब मिलती है, राइट, हाउ द थिंग्स वर्क हेयर. सो ये हो गई. उसके बाद आ जाओ फोर्थ पॉइंट क्या है? जब आ गई सप्लाई चेन का कोर्स भी ले लिया, अच्छा स्कोप है, सब कुछ है आपके पास. नाउ ट्राई टू फाइंड अ जॉब, पार्ट टाइम जॉब, जो आप 20 आवर्स वाली जॉब है, वो भी आप उसी फील्ड में अगर ढूंढना स्टार्ट करो ना, दैट्स चेरी ऑन अ केक, सोने पे सुहागे वाली बात हो जानी है. बिकॉज एट द एंड जब आप इंटरव्यू देने के लिए जाओगे, सो वो देखेंगे कि या यू हैव ऑलरेडी डन दैट जॉब. आपको पता है कि कैसे लोअर लेवल के ऊपर वर्क फोर्स काम कर रही है, कैसे लॉजिस्टिक्स हो रहा है, कैसे डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन हो रहा है. सो यू हैव सम आइडिया अबाउट दैट. So maybe they are going to prefer you, right? So these all the things which conclude, or which you can say in a nutshell, I can combine that whole thing, that supply chain and supply chain management and operations and supply chain management is one of the good courses to pursue in Canada. And other courses, I think IT, these two things I have found wonderful here. I'm always, whenever I go here and there just looking for the jobs, then I found that IT jobs and this course will going to provide a good job to you. But you have to be extraordinary, you have to work on your skills. Even I'm also working, because I don't think so I have a good communication skills at all. And if you are also feeling this, then please continue to work it. Without communication skills, without breaking the ice, you can't go through, right? आपको बहुत सारे अनजान लोगों से मिलना पड़ेगा, आपको नेटवर्किंग स्ट्रॉन्ग करनी पड़ेगी. So this is the second thing, right? That IT thing. And the third thing is real estate courses. अगर आप कोई property management, building courses कुछ ऐसे लेने वाले हो, then go for it if you have an interest. यहाँ पे real estate के exams होते हैं, आपको license लेना पड़ेगा, then you can pursue your career in that field. But yeah, it's going to be worth it at the end, because बहुत पैसा है उन चीज़ों में, बहुत ज़्यादा. So this is all for this video. If you have any questions regarding KPU, regarding studies, go to the comment section. I'm going to reply to you. Even I have my Instagram, most of you ask me, and it's The Real Miracles. I'm going to mention it here. Follow me there, it's my page. You will get some motivation, even me too. So you can follow me over there. So please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video.